All right, let me bring in our guest with us, defense attorney, former head prosecutor Bob Bianchi. Bob, I don't know what to make of that exchange, and I'm watching it. I'm going, just say yes. It's a very clear answer. You change the arm position, the result will be different. But they seem, both of them actually, Hank Brennan, in terms of what he wants to get out, and as well as Dr. Wolfe, they're so locked into their narrative that I think it's somewhat, on a small level, affecting a little bit of their credibility. What do you think?
Whose credibility?
I think both of their credibility.
First of all, thanks for having me on, Michael. It's always great to be here, ending my week on a Friday with you. Yeah, you know, it's kind of funny. I have this philosophy about expert witnesses, and that is high and tight, man. Your questions have to be extremely strategic, and I'm only passing on the knowledge that was given to me by somebody, I forget who it was, but to look at the expert like they're a bear in a cage. And you want that cage locked, and you want to get a 10-foot pole, and you kind of want to poke the bear and then back away and poke. But you don't want to open the lock, get in the cage, and fight the bear, because the expert's going to tear you up. So I don't like, I don't like the way this guy questions this prosecutor. I just don't like it. I think it's bombastic and sardonic and sarcastic, and I just don't think the jury's going to like that. I don't know. At least that's the way I feel about it. And I don't think that he is fulfilling the #1 rule. Score points, poke the bear, get out. He's wrestling with the guy. And at the end, I agree with you. The witness isn't really answering, could have answered the question very easily. But after all that was done, I said to myself, so what? Like, what did all that mean? Yeah. I'm just not understanding. I'm trying to look at my, and by the way, the judge coming in a couple of times and telling them to disregard the lawyers, gratuitous comments, I don't think bodes well with them either. So, Michael, I don't know what to make of this. The witness could have answered better, but I'm not sure the prosecution's doing themselves a favor either.
Yeah, I would have to agree 100%. I mean, the thing, even his questions sort of highlight the big problem. There's just so many variables here. It's hard to know what really happened at the end of the day. All right, Bob.